This is my first time trying Biodance Hydrogel Real Deep Mask and my first impression review. So I'm gonna start first by prepping my face. So I'm gonna do a really good cleanse and then we'll get to the mask. So let's get to the mask part. My skin always feels so tired, so dull, so dry after flying. So I always have to take extra time and a little bit of extra attention when I come back home. And I love to put on these like really good hydrating, moisturizing masks, and I keep them on for a few hours. And I love Biodance, the collagen mask. So I decided to give it a shot with their other products as well. So yeah, that's why today we're gonna be trying out this blue mask. I have to call it blue mask because it's easier than calling it by its actual name here. It's quite long. So I love to start with this extra patches and put them randomly on my, not randomly on my skin, but put them like on like some extra parts. Probably I can put one like right here because I feel like I need like a little bit extra attention under my eyes. And I'll put it on the other side as well. This is gonna stay on for a couple of hours, so mine as well. I'm really not sure about the particular order of putting on these masks. So I'm gonna start with my forehead, even though it might not be the right way to do it, but anyways, let's start with my forehead. My first impression is it feels so cooling, so refreshing as soon as I put it on. The texture is very jelly-like, which I really like. Ooh, jelly-like, which I like. Kind of a rhyme. Fits on really well on my skin. Let's do the bottom layer, both ends. Oh yeah, it fits on so well, but I think I'm gonna pull it down a little bit. And I think this looks really good. This is it. I'm gonna be chilling in my living room for the rest of my Sunday, and I'll try to keep this on for at least 4 or 5 hours. Okay, this is a few hours later. Look at this. Like I can't even see the mask anymore. It has become one with my skin. This is incredible. Okay, so let's start taking it off slowly. I think my skin looks really soft, plump, refreshed, rejuvenated, and it doesn't feel sticky or heavy at all. My first impression is I love it. Am I impressed? No, I think the collagen mask is more impressive, but nevertheless, this one feels great. It really feels like I feel fresh, for sure. I really think it does what it's supposed to do. I don't feel so tired anymore. Like my skin doesn't feel tired at all. I think it looks great. This is a little close-up. This is a perfect reset after traveling. Yeah, I would definitely use it again and I would recommend it to anyone. I will be using it again.